Today we are going to some questions regarding the application of corollary of linear pair of axioms or angles. Okay, so today's topic is application of application of application of complete angle. Okay, application of complete angle. Application of complete angle. This is the topic. Okay. So we are going to discuss one of the question from RS Agrawal. That is the question exercise 4B. This is the old book. Okay. This is the figure is already given in the book, and the question is that in the adjoining figure three coplanar lines. Okay. Here is a three coplanar lines. Suppose here is A, here is A, here is B, here is C, here is D, here is E, and here is F. Okay, so this is coplanar lines because all lines lies in a same plane. That's why we call them coplanar lines. Coplanar lines, those lines which lies in any plane, in same plane, is known as coplanar lines. Okay, so this is the coplanar lines, or the value of angle, that is this value is 90 degree. Okay, this is the 90 degree, and this is the 50 degree. This is 50 degree, and this is x. This is 50, 90, yes, and this is the x degree. Here is the 50, and here is the z degree. Here is z, and here is x, and here is t. Here is x, here is t, and sorry, t is here. T is here, and the x is the vertically opposite of angle of x is, that is the y. So here is y. Okay, we need to find here what is the value of x, y, and z and t. Okay, we need to find. So this is the question number 7 of RS Agrawal. Question number 7. So we will apply here question number 7. Okay, add all of the angles, we will get here 360, because we know that the angle at around any point is not point is 360 degree. That's why you can observe this angle and this angle is vertically opposite angle, because here is the line AB, and here is the one of the line, and second line, that is the CD. That's why this angle to this angle equals. Okay, so we can write here AB, line AB, and line CD, and line CD intersect at O. Okay, this is O. Intersect at O. Hence the angle of T equals to, so angle of T equals to 90 degree. That is the region of vertically opposite angle. Okay, again we can see here CD and EF is a line. That's why angle Z equals to 50. Again line EF and CD, line this EF and line EF and CD. Yes, line EF and CD intersect at what? At O. hence angle Z equals to 50 degree. Okay, angle Z equals to 50 degree. This is the reason of vertically opposite angle. Similarly, we can say similarly we can say the angle of x equals to angle y. Okay, angle x equals to angle y. This is the reason of vertically opposite angle. Okay, so now we can add all of the angles. Okay, so we can write here x plus t plus z plus y plus 90 plus 50 equals to 360 degree. Okay, this is the complete angle. So we can write here 50 degree plus angle x plus angle t plus angle z plus angle y plus angle 90 equals to 360 degree. This is due to complete angle. You can write here complete angle. Okay, so let me put the value of all angles. Here is a 50 plus x. The value of x is what? X is the value of x equals to y. So we can write here x is x, and the value of t you can see here t equals to 90, and angle of z equals to z you can see 50, and the value of y equals to x we can write here plus this is the 90 equals to 360. Okay, so next we can simplify the question. You can see 50 50 100 and 90 90 180. So 180 minus plus 100 equals to 280. So we can write here 280 degree plus x plus x, that is the 2x equals to 360 degree. So 2x equals to, you can write here 360 minus 280. So here is x equals to 220 and 60, that is the 80, and here the value of x equals to 40 degree. 2, that means x equals to 40 degree. So x is equals to y. So we can write here y is also 40 degree, and the value of t, that is at 90 degree, and the value of z, that is the what, 50 degree. Okay students, that is the answer. Next we can move some another questions. Okay, so here is the another questions. So this is the next question here. Okay, this is the next question. Let me rectify some things for question next. So we can write here there are three lines, there are three coplanar lines. Okay, there are three coplanar lines, and the value of this is the 2x. Suppose AD is, this is the 2x. Suppose here is AB, this is the AB, this is the AB, and this is the EF, this is the EF, and this is C or D. Okay, so you can check the value. Here is 2x, here is 2x, here is 3x degree, and here is 5x degree. Okay, 5x degree. You need to find here, find the angle AOD. You need to find the value of x, means first x and next AOD, next AOD, COE, and AOE, AOE and X also. So we need to find here. This is we need to find in a given figure. This is the question number 8 of our essay. This is the question number 8. Okay. So you can see this angle equals to this because vertically observe here, angle 2x degree equals to this angle because AB and AB line AB and CD are intersect at O. That's why angle 2x equals to angle BOD equals to angle AOC, that is at 2x degree. Okay. Similarly, we can say angle EOC equals to the angle DOF, that is also 5x degree. Okay. And here is 3x, so this is also 3x degree. And if we will add all of the angles, then it must be equate to 360 due to complete angle. Okay. So first of all, you can solve directly, or you should write some things. Here is the, you can write here, this is the 5x degree due to vertically, this is the 3x degree, this is the 3x because vertically opposite angle. Here is also 2x degree. So students, so you must write the statement. Okay. What is the region of both angles are equal? You will have to write EF. Suppose here EF and line EF and line AB, line EF, line EF and line EF and line, here is the line EF and here is the line AB, intersect at O. Okay, so line AB is here and line EF is here, so angle this equal to this, means angle BOE equals to angle angle AOF, that is the 5x, that is the 3x degree. Okay, due to vertically opposite angle. Again we can write here CD, line CD and AB are intersect at O, line CD and line AB. Okay, line CD and line AB intersect at O. That's why intersect at O, line CD. Here is the CD. You can check CD and AB. Here is the AB. So CD and AB. So this angle means angle AOC equals to BOD. Angle AOC equals to angle BOD. That is the what? That is the 2x degree. You can write here vertically opposite angle. Similarly, we can write here. Similarly, we can write here what? 3x, 2x done 5x. Okay, angle COE equals to angle DOF. That is what? 5x. Okay. Now we can add you can add all of the angles. Okay, and equate to 360. Okay, so we can write here angle, here is 3x plus 5x. Now we can write here 5x plus 2x, 5x degree plus 2x degree here, and 3x degree plus 5x degree and plus 2x degree plus again 3x degree. It will equate to 360 degree. Okay, so let me add all of the things here. 5 to 5, 5, 10, 10, and here is 16 and 20, means here is the 20x. So 20x equals to 360. So x equals to 360 divided by 20. Okay, so we will get here 18 degrees. So this is the value of angle, this is the value of x, and here is we need to find AOD. So what is the value of AOD? You can see AOD means 3x plus 5x. We can write here 3x plus 5x equals to 8x, and here is the 8x, 8. This is the 144 degree. Next is COE. COE. So where is the COE? You can see COE. This is the 5x. So we can write here 5x. So 5 into 18, that is the 19. Next AOE. So AOE. So AOE is what? AOE is 5x plus 2x. 5x plus 2x, that is the 7x, and 7 into 18 degree. This is 126. Okay, so that is the some examples of application of complete angle, students. Okay, so I will provide some questions regarding this topic so that you can practice the question. Okay, so this is the three coplanar lines. Okay, this is the three coplanar lines. Here is the A, here is the B, here is the C, here is the D, here is the E, here is the F. Okay, so this is the 40 degree, this is the 50 degree, and this is the X degree. Okay, so you need to find here what you need to find here. Sorry, this is 80 degree. Okay, and this is the 70 degree. Okay, you need to find here what you need to find this. What is the value of angle? What is the value of X? And what is the value of this angle? What is the value of this angle? What is the value of this angle? Okay, so you will have to find your angle. What? Just we can write here, find X. Find X. Next, angle AOE. AOE. Next, COB or BOC. BOC. Next, DOF. Okay. So this is the question you need to find here. Okay. Question number 2. That is here. This is the question number 2, and you need to find here. Suppose here is A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so this is the O, here is the O, and here is angle 5x, here is 4x, here is 6x. Okay, you need to find here what is the value of x. Find x. Find x. Next, find AOD. Next, find BOD. Next, find AOC. Okay, next find AOC. This is the question you will have to solve, the question 1 and question 2. It will be the homework. Okay, if you are unable to solve that question, then you can Here's my comment box. Okay, okay, students. Thank you.